Now, now we'll see the 30th question. Okay, here they are saying that ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, so it is a right angle triangle, and if B angle BAC is equal to 90 degree, BAC. So here it is forming 90 degree angle. Okay, 90 degree angle. And if AD is perpendicular on BC, AD is perpendicular on BC. So when we say perpendicular, guys, this will also become 90 degree, and even this angle will also become 90 degree. This is understood, okay, with this sentence. We need to understand. Then show that AB square is equal to BC into BD. This is what we have to prove. Now, we'll start with our proof part. So here what we will do, we will take two triangles here to prove this. So we will say in triangle, main triangle, the bigger triangle BAC, and another triangle, this triangle we will take triangle BAD. BAD. Okay. Now here what we will do is we will try to prove them similar. Okay. So I can say that angle BAC is equal to angle BDA. Both are, because why I am saying this is because both are 90 degree. Then I can say that angle angle ABC is equal to angle ABT, because it is common in, because this angle is common in both the triangles, so naturally it will become, equal. So now therefore we can say that triangle BAC is similar to triangle BAD, and using what criteria? Using angle similarity criteria. Similarity criteria or rule, we can say this. Now once we say that both the triangles are similar, we can write them in the form of similarity, right? We will solve the next year. So I can write them in the form of similarity. I can write BA upon BD. Okay. So BA is one side of the bigger triangle upon BD, which is another one side of this small triangle. So the main triangle and this small triangle we will compare and we'll match and write the sides. Then equal to, I will write AC upon DA, which is another side of this triangle. So DA is equal to I will write BC, which is the hypotenuse of the bigger triangle, upon hypotenuse of the smaller triangle. Hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse will be AB of the small triangle. Okay, AB of this small triangle, AB or BA, anything you can write. Okay. Now, what we require to prove this, guys, only that much we need to take from this now. So we actually in fact need this part and this part. It is sufficient for us to prove this with these two things only. So I will write it down, these two things. So BA upon BD into BC upon BA. Okay. So now we will cross multiply these things. Okay, we will cross multiply these things. Actually, in fact, we need to write here equal to, and now we will cross multiply. Okay. So now once we cross multiply, what we will get is BA square is equal to BC into BD. Now you can keep the answer here only, or you can write like how they have given. So instead of BA, you can keep the answer here itself. It is correct, totally fine. Or you can just, instead of BA, you just write AB. Okay, it is one and the same, guys. That is not a problem. So BC into BD. So this is our final answer. So we have proved what they have asked us to prove. So this completes our this question. So now we will see the question number 31, in which they say the minute hand of a wall clock. So this is what, this is a clock. Okay, so this is the clock is 18 centimeter long. So the minute hand is 18 centimeter long. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes. So how much area will the minute hand cover in 35 minutes? So this is one question. Okay. And then another question is, find the length of the arc formed by the swept of the minute hand. So first question we will see, and then we will see the second question. Now, the minute hand is 18 centimeter, they are saying. So, say this is the center of the circle, right? Clock. So, from here, okay, the length of the, minute hand is how much? 18 centimeter. So, let's say it is starting from, here, the start point, and for 35 minutes. So, 35 minutes means the hand will reach here, right? The hand which will reach here, because at 7 here it will become 35 minutes. So we have to find the area means here from start, this portion what I have covered, this angle. Okay, this entire portion is what we have to find out how much is this area. Okay, how much is this area which is covered by this minute hand. So basically they are asking us to find the area of sector. Okay, so basically in the first question we have to find area of sector. Okay, this is what they are asking us to find. Now what they have given here, okay, what they have given, in given they have given the radius. Okay, radius is how much? Radius is 18 centimeter. Okay, and then what we require, we also require theta. Okay, to find the area of sector, what we want radius and theta, but theta is not given directly, so we have to find out that. Now this is the first thing, by the way, what we have to find out. Now there, now we know that in a circle that the total angle is 360 degree. So in a circle we have 60 minutes in a clock. Total how many minutes we have? 60 minutes. So for 60 minutes, how much angle we have? We have total angle of 360 degree. Then for 35 minutes, how much will be the angle? That is what is our theta. So what we will do? So we will cross multiply. Okay. So we'll cross multiply. Let's say this is x. We have to find out now. Okay. So x is equal to 35 into 360 divided by 60. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, and 35 into 6 is 210. So basically what is this? This is our theta. This is our theta. So theta is how much? Theta is 210 degree. So now what we will do? We will find the area of sector. So area of sector. So what is the formula? The formula is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Now we will put the values. Theta is how much? Just now we have found out, 210 divided by 360 degree into pi value is how much? They have not given anything, so we can take 22 by 7. Then radius is how much? Radius is 18, but r square, so 2 times we will write 18 here. Okay, now we will go on cancelling. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, and 0 as it is. Okay, now we can cancel this 0 and this 0. So then 3 ones are 3, and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, then 2 6 are 12, then 2 ones are 2, and 2 ones are 2, and then 6 ones are 6, and 6 threes are 18. So after long cancellation, what we are remaining with, we have 11 into 3 into 18. So once we multiply all these things, we will get 594 centimeter square, because we are finding area. And area is always written in centimeter square. Okay. Now the second thing we will find out. Which is what they are asking. Now here what they are asking is, find the length of the arc formed by the swept of the minute hand. So arc means what? Arc means this portion. Arc means this portion. Let me just show you. Arc means this portion. Okay, this portion. So how much will be this, length of arc? Length of arc. So this is what we have to find out. How much is the length of the arc? So we also have a formula to find that. So length of the arc. Okay. So the formula is theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r we will write, because 2 pi r is what it will give us, the circumference. So part of arc means what? A part of circumference. A part of circumference is nothing but arc, right? So here we will solve. Theta is how much? Theta is 210 upon 360 degree into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 80. Now we will cancel out. So we will cancel 0 and 0. Then 7 ones are 7, and 7 threes are 21. So 3 ones are 3, and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 6 are 12, and 2 ones are 2 ones are, and 6 ones are 6, and 6 threes are 18. So what we are left with, 11, and also we have 2, right? So we are left with 2 into 11 into 3. So which is nothing but 66 centimeter square. So this is the length of the arc. So here we should write only centimeter. So the length of the arc is not area. So it will be only centimeter is what we have to write. So it is, so length of the arc is 66 centimeter. Area of sector is 594 centimeter square, because for area we have to write square. And for theta, and the theta is how much? 210 degree. Okay, so theta is written in terms of degree, area is written in terms of centimeter square, unit square, and length of the arc is, it is just, we have to write it as a without square or without cube, because it is just the distance. Length is nothing but the distance, and distance is written, it is a single dimensional, right? So we have to write only centimeter, only unit. We should not never write a square here. Okay, so length of the arc is 66 centimeter. All right guys, so this finishes off our 31st question.